Everyone thinks the 1947 UFO crash happened in Roswell, but it didn't. And when I drove out to the real crash site, something strange happened. If you've ever been to a place that just didn't feel right, like you were being watched, then you'll understand what happened to me out here. After leaving El Moro, I drove into the city of Roswell, New Mexico, expecting a quiet, strange little town built around UFO folklore. Instead, I found a bustling city of more than 63,000 people. Normal stores, malls, normal traffic, normal life. And that's when I learned something I never knew. The famous 1947 UFO crash didn't happen in Roswell. It happened about 75 miles north of Roswell on a farm in a very remote location. So there was about 2 hours of sunlight, and I drove out to the area. No lights, no houses, no sound, just empty land and a narrow dirt road. And the closer I got, the more I felt off. You know what I mean? Even the drone didn't want to take off at first, which made the whole moment feel even stranger. And once I launched it, that's when things got really eerie. The crash site doesn't look like much at first. Just open land, broken fences, and endless silence. And when you stand there alone, you can't help but think about what supposedly happened in this exact spot. Because sometimes the history of a place is felt more than seen. But the drone gave me a view that changed everything. I'm at one of the Roswell UFO crash sites. There's supposed to have been two. This is one of them. There's no one around. I haven't seen a soul around for 50 miles driving out here. But the sun has gone down to controller. But check out this sunset. And then I'm getting out of here. But I feel like I am being watched. I feel like I'm being surveilled. Yet there's no one around. Check this out. So what you see here is where the UFO supposedly had crashed and was recovered by the US government. As you can see, the Jeep is really dirty. It is going to need a good washing. I'll take care of that tomorrow. It won't be tonight, that's for sure. But this is it. And I'm the only one out here on this lonely road. But I feel like I'm being watched. Really weird feeling. Okay, I'm out. Whether you believe the 1947 story or not, standing out there alone is an experience I'll never forget.